In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your organization's information settings. These are things like the name that displays and your organization time zone. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, so make sure you have your enterprise selected. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization settings page. To the left, you should see your organization's information settings. Right now, you can change the name of your organization that displays. If you need to change the code, this is what people use when they log in. Go to Help in the upper right-hand corner and create a new support ticket. Here you can enter in your email, the subject, and what you want changed. I'm going to exit out of this. You can also add a logo to the login page of your TeamWork 5 account. To do that, also create a support ticket. Next, you can adjust your time zone. If I click the arrow next to time zone, I can choose any of the time zones here. I'm going to leave this on Mountain Time. And finally, you can adjust the dictionary that's being used for your TeamWork 5 account. This will automatically be standard, and if you click the arrow and you don't see any other options, like I do, that means you only have the standard option. Companies like airlines might have an airline option there. If you have the ability to create custom fields, you will be able to adjust those on this information block too. That will appear in between the logo URL and the time zone. If you are happy with your changes to your organization's information settings, click Save. A green save bar will appear next to the Save button, letting you know when you last saved this information. That's how you can view and adjust your organization's information settings. Check out the next video to learn how to view your license agreement and usage.